Why should you consider your financial scenario before you invest? How having greater awareness on financial circumstances benefit investor? To help you find answers to these questions, we have our financial expert Mr. Chintan Arira with us. Chintan, over to you.
Obviously, what is it that is important for all of you? You have to, one, have a financial plan for yourself based on your risk appetite, on your financial circumstances. Even if you have a twin brother, I again repeat, even if you have a twin brother or a twin sister, the two of you, in terms of finance, may be very different in terms of where you should invest, how much risk appetite you have, because one of you may be doing extremely well, your sibling may not be doing that well. One of you may be married to a person who may have an inheritance, so you have some cushion there. Your sibling may not be married to someone who is rich. Your sibling may not have a cushion there. So each one of us, our circumstances, our current ability to earn, our ancestral property which will come to us, and our responsibilities are different. I have two kids. My brother may not be having kids, or my sister may not be having kids, or they may have one kid. Along with the two kids, I may be having the responsibility of managing my parents. But my friend may not be having the responsibility of managing parents. He may not be married. He may not have kids. Then in that case, my friend can actually have 100% allocation to equity at all points of time and not worry, because what are his responsibilities? He doesn't need to keep an emergency fund. But I have to keep an emergency fund with old parents, young children. We don't know what calamity or what emergency comes in tomorrow where you need the funds. So understanding each financial position is important. And goal-based investing. Today, when you start investing, suppose you know after 10 years your child is going abroad for studies, will need about 1 crore rupees. No point in saving 5,000 rupees today for it, right? Because it's not going to reach 1 crore rupees in, let's say, 10 years' time. If you back calculate, you need 1 crore rupees after 10 years' time at 10% investment rate or 10% return rate. Maybe you need to invest 15,000 rupees today. So that goal-based current financial planning is extremely important. It will allow you to have a very clear focus and build a right way where you don't have to worry. After 10 years, suddenly you don't have to worry. Oh my God, how am I going to fund this? Let me break my PF. Let me break my insurance policies. These are all your retirement funds. You are breaking them for your child's education. How will you live your life? And that's where financial planning is important. Avoid the noise. Don't listen to others. When I say don't listen to others, listen to one person whom you trust. I believe finance is all about trust. And if a person has built your trust over a period of time, do not trust that person blindly. Take inputs from that person. Do your own work to the extent that you can. Understand your investments and then invest. But have a person who is trustworthy and can guide you well. If you invest today, don't expect returns tomorrow. If you try to put a seed for a mango tree, it probably takes years for the mango tree to completely or fully bloom. And then when it starts generating returns in the form of mangoes, it's meaningful. If you plant the seed today and water it and keep looking at it, you're not going to be richer. You're going to waste your time and you'll probably be stressed and you'll not live your life. That's what most of us do, right? If we are very keen on investing in equities, we invest and then we keep seeing the NAV every day. We keep seeing our valuations every day. That will not help us. Just invest in the right manner with the right advisor. In 5 years, 10 years time, you'll make money. And the last thing, again, take help from the financial advisor.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.